What's going on, everybody? I'm Sam with Outdoors in Maryland, and like I said, we do a lot of crab recipes, and what we're going to do is that we're going to make a marinara sauce, but we're going to add crab meat. So it's going to be like a Maryland style crab marinara sauce for your spaghetti, whatever you want to put it on. So stick around. Whoa, look at that. We're gonna do 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, which is about 3/4 of a cup.
Are you sure?
It's one on. Probably need one. So one small red onion. This we're gonna make. Everything's gonna be like your regular marinara sauce. But what we're gonna add is a little seafood seasoning, and that's your JO #1, and that's going to give you your like seafood hint of seafood. I'll put the ingredients in the description. Onion, look, already chopped. Voila. About 6 cloves of garlic, and now we're going to let this come up, and we're going to let it real good. And we're going to let this. We're going to try to do our best to make these onions almost brown before we put everything in. Garlic's really brown. So now we're going to start adding all the ingredients in. Now the recipe is going to call for two 28 ounce cans of plum tomatoes, but that's going to be for 1 pound of crab meat. We're actually going to have 2 pounds of crab meat, so we're actually going to have a little bit more sauce in here. There you go.
Okay.
Pinch red pepper flakes. Really, what did it say? About a tablespoon. Tablespoon of sugar. This is a small spoon. Since this is the first time we're actually using this spice, I'm thinking maybe this is got a good spice to it, but I'm going to do maybe 1 tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Now once you start cooking all this and everything starts coming, we're going to let this simmer and simmer. We're just going to let it simmer. Now we're going to let this come up. Probably I'm going to put a cover on this, and we're just going to let this get happy, make it love person. Okay, I'm fooling around. So once we get all this nice and simmer we're going to do it for about an hour. I'm going to take this immersion blender, and then I'm going to crush everything up. Then I'll add the crab meat.
Smells good.
This has been breaking down for about an hour. So now we're going to go ahead and add this, and hopefully I don't make a mess. The wife is not going to be liking me so much. But she's already back. All right, I think everything's broken down. Now we're going to add 2 pounds of crab meat.
Don't waste it.
Don't waste it. Just a couple pieces, for God's sake. So we worked hard for them crabs. You can touch the back of that.
What?
Like that, we ain't gonna mess with it while it's recording. All right, she's mixed in. Now we're gonna let this like in any Italian recipe. We're gonna let this simmer probably for, I mean, my mother-in-law was here, it would have to be at least 5-6 hours. But we usually do that on a Sunday. We're probably gonna let this simmer probably for about 2 hours. And
You be the judge. The longer it sits, the better it is.
now that marinara sauce can be used with anything: clams, mussels, shrimp. I mean, you should put scallops. Any of that stuff can be in it because it tastes wonderful. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit a thumbs up. That would be great. And make sure you share the video. That would be awesome. That'd help the channel out.